Welcome back. Ready to learn 100 key English words for the house? Let's jump right in. Bathroom. Bathroom. Now repeat after me. Bathroom. Bathroom. Bedroom. Bedroom. Now repeat after me. Bedroom. Bedroom. Living room. Living room. Let's say that word together. Living room. Living room. Dining room. Dining room. Now repeat after me. Dining room. Dining room. Garden. Garden. Can you say it with me? Garden. Garden. Garage. Garage. Your turn. Try saying it out loud. Garage. Garage. Chimney. Chimney. Now repeat after me. Chimney. Chimney. Hallway. Hallway. Now repeat after me. Hallway. Hallway. Fence. Fence. Can you say it with me? Let's go. Fence. Fence. Closet. Closet. Let's say that word together. Closet. Closet.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's go over the words again.
What is this? Garden. Garden.
Do you know what this is?
Living room. Living room.
Do you remember what this is?
Bathroom. Bathroom.
Do you know what this is?
Bedroom. Bedroom.
And what is this?
Garage. Garage.
Do you remember what this is?
Dining room. Dining room.
And what is this?
Closet. Closet.
And do you know what this is?
Hallway. Hallway.
And do you remember what this is?
Chimney. Chimney.
And finally,
Fence. Fence.
Awesome work! Thanks for learning with me. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.